Hey everyone, Trina here, back with another experimental day. This is going to be a quick video. Here you can see I'm adding on some acrylic ink onto the jelly plate. And we're just going to do a little experiment here, adding in a bit of the azo gold. And what I want to happen here is this is going to dry and it's going to leave these pretty cool little patterns. I'm going back in with the wedge brush here and just trying to create some marks and take off that mask. I'm going to go back in with the bronze metallic acrylic ink. I'm just going to lay down these quick layers, go back in with some stencils that I just got that kind of mimic the cardboard that I've been using, which I was pretty happy to find these. And I'm just rubbing these on with the deli paper there to make sure I get it laid down right. And then I'm going back down here into this wet paint and doing the same thing. So now I'm going to use this color shaper here to bring in more of the bronze and add in more of those stencils. This was just a really quick experiment. I wanted to play with adding the textures first before I put down, in the next step, you'll see me put down some charcoal drawing, which is going to be pretty cool. So we're going to let that dry, and you can see here the cool marks that I got from all of that. So here I'm just going in real quick and making a sketch with some willow charcoal. You saw me do this before, and I had okay success, but I think my charcoal was wrong. Like, it was not the willow, and so it wasn't leaving enough dust into the jelly plate. So we're going to try again. And this is just really quick, like I said, really quick look into this process. Here I'm going back in with some tape, some masking tape, and I'm just going to take away some of these areas of paint so that we can make sure that the charcoal drawing has something to adhere to. Otherwise, it may not if it has the paint, too much paint underneath of it. So this is a quick way to do that. I'm going to take this charcoal print. I'm just going to lay it down and get out my Baron and rub the back of the paper. And we should get a pretty good print. I'm pretty happy with the way that came out. I'm going in with some gel medium, and I'm just going to brayer that on. And then we're going to transfer it to a piece of mixed media paper and see what we get. So here is the piece that we just made, and you can see that the transfer was really nice. Here I'm going back in with just a little bit of Payne's Gray, acrylic ink, and I'm just going to use the tool here to spread it out. I'm not going to go too much into detail into this piece because it is a practice piece. This paper is entirely too thin to do a lot of detail work in, so I'm just sort of playing really quickly, and I just kind of wanted to get on here today and show you this technique. I'll make another video tomorrow where I go slower and more in depth in my concertina sketchbook, and we'll have a much more organized plate, but I really wanted to see what kind of work and marks I could get out of this, and I wanted to share it with you so you can see sort of what I do when I'm not making, end work. Overall, I really like the textures and the lines that came out of this, and I love that new stencil that I got. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.